In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request Google Drive access. If you've ever clicked a Google Drive link and hit a wall, this guide will show you exactly how to ask for permission the right way and what to expect after you send your request. Start by opening the Google Drive file or folder link you received. This can be on your computer or your phone. If you don't already have permission, you'll see a screen that says "You need access." That message simply means the owner hasn't shared the file with your account yet. On that screen, select the Request Access button. This is the built-in way to notify the owner that you're trying to view their content. After you click it, you'll see a box where you can add a short message. This part is optional, but it's a smart move because it helps the owner understand why you need in. Keep it brief and polite, like, "Hi, I need access to review this file for a project. Thanks." If you only need to view it, you can mention that. If you truly need to comment or edit, say why. Clear context makes approvals faster. Once your note is ready, click Send Request. That's it. Your request is on its way. Behind the scenes, the file owner receives an email that includes your email address and the message you wrote. They can approve or deny your request in a couple of clicks. Here's what happens next. If the owner approves, you'll receive an email letting you know you now have access. You can open the file from that email or simply return to the original link and it should load. If the owner denies the request, you may get a notification, or sometimes you won't receive anything at all. If you don't hear back, your request is still pending, which usually just means the owner hasn't acted on it yet. A few tips to help your request get approved faster. Keep your message specific and courteous, state the purpose clearly, and ask only for the level of access you need. That makes it easier for the owner to say yes. Also, keep an eye on the inbox of the same email account you used to open the link, and check your spam or updates folders in case the approval gets filtered. And that's all there is to it. Open the link, request access, add a helpful note if needed, and send. Then watch your email for the owner's response.